Imagine a math equation where you account for A, B, C, all the other people's feelings, but ignore X you're feeling. The result will always be skewed in real terms. Every time you decide, I won't upset them, I'll keep the peace. You might be upsetting yourself and disturbing your own peace, but you rarely give that equal weight. What's the emotional price you pay for? Constantly smoothing things over. Perhaps it's chronic anxiety or fatigue that goes bone deep, or the quiet despair of feeling unknown because no one sees your struggle. These are costs that accumulate, and eventually the debt comes due, often in the form of an INFJ burnout or the infamous INFJ door slam. You've heard of it, the INFJ door slam. When an INFJ, after silently taking too much for too long, cuts someone out or withdraws completely, often with chilly finality. It's not explosive anger, it's an implosion. One day you go to find the INFJ and they're just gone from that person's life. In my earlier scenario, that friend who texted at midnight, if they repeatedly take advantage of your kindness, an INFJ might one day simply vanish from that friendship. No dramatic confrontation, just silence. Why? Because all those unacknowledged self-costs finally crossed a line. The equation no longer balanced. The only solution left was to subtract the INFJ entirely. As one description, put it, INFJs don't explode. They quietly rewrite you internally, effectively deleting the version of you they once trusted. Once their internal calculus says enough, the door slam is the final drastic emotional calculation. The decision that preserving any relationship isn't worth the ongoing damage to self. It's brutal, and it's usually a last resort. Here's the kicker. By the time it gets to that point, the INFJ is beyond drained. We're talking emotional shutdown, often physical symptoms of stress, maybe depression or a health breakdown. All those years of micro-sacrifices add up. This is why recognizing the missing variable, you, is so critical, and why this topic is essential for INFJs. If you don't start including yourself in the equation now, the math will do itself eventually, and you might not like the outcome.